Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Work on a level surface with the parking brake set and chock the wheels. This procedure covers a 1.6L 4-cylinder Kia Rio 2004. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative cable and storing it safely. Remove the serpentine belt, loosen and remove accessory drive components and the crankshaft pulley, then unbolt the timing cover to expose the timing belt. For accurate timing, remove the spark plugs and rotate the crankshaft by hand until the number 1 piston is at TDC on the compression stroke. With the cover removed, align the crankshaft pulley timing mark to the TDC index on the block and verify piston 1 is at top dead center on the compression stroke. Next, align both camshaft timing marks so they match their reference points on the cylinder head and sit flush with their housings. Inspect the belt path and note routing. Then loosen the hydraulic or spring tensioner just enough to remove the old belt while holding the camshafts and crank steady to prevent any movement. Fit the new timing belt onto the crankshaft, camshaft, S, and idler pulleys in the exact factory routing, ensuring the cam and crank marks remain perfectly aligned as you work. Re-engage the tensioner and set preload according to the tensioner design until the belt has firm engagement but no excessive slack. Manually rotate the crankshaft 2 full revolutions clockwise to settle the belt and remove any slack. Finally, recheck all timing marks for alignment. Verify belt tension. Replace the timing cover and accessory components, reinstall the serpentine belt, and reconnect the battery negative cable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.